Hi, this is Dave with Crandall Office, and today we're going to be talking about how to install and adjust your Atlas headrest on your Herman Miller Aeron classic chair. We're really excited to be able to offer the Atlas headrest. We think it's a great improvement to an already great chair in the Aeron, and it's very quick and easy to install. As you can see, there's only a few parts included: the bracket, the headrest itself, a couple of screws, a plastic cover, and an Allen key. So first thing you're going to need to do is grab the bracket that's going to clamp onto the back of the chair. So you can see here, this is how this clamps onto the back of the chair, and it's just going to grab onto the very back here. You're going to want to make sure that you loop this over the top and then push that in, and then I just hand tighten this screw as far as I can till it stops, and that's just going to allow it to sit on there. It's not fully tight yet, so you're going to want to grab your Allen wrench and tighten it up further after you've hand tightened it, and that's going to allow you to really clamp down and make sure that this is on there securely. So now that that's on there securely, you can see it's not going to slide or move around. Then we're going to want to grab the headrest portion of the headrest. Now there is a little locating arrow that's pointing up. You want to make sure that that arrow is pointing up as you install this part. So this will install just like this, and you're going to grab one of your 3 screws, and again, just hand thread one of these screws in place. You're going to start with the 2 sides first, and then we'll put on a cap and tighten up the 3rd one. But again, just hand tighten these, get them in place, make sure they're not going anywhere before we do a final tighten on these parts. All right, so with the 2 outside screws in place, you're going to take your Allen wrench again and you're going to tighten these up so that they're secure on the headrest. Now that these 2 screws are tightened and in place, we're going to be grabbing this plastic piece along with a 3rd screw here and pop this plate over the top. And again, you're going to want to just get this started by hand. And once that's in place, you can grab your Allen wrench again and again tighten this up so that it's in place. And it's easy as that. Your headrest is now completely installed on your Herman Miller Aeron chair. So now that the headrest is installed, let's talk about the adjustments and how to adjust your headrest. So you can see here that the headrest has got a couple of different adjustments on it. You've got a knob down at the bottom that's going to allow you to raise and lower the headrest to suit wherever you need it height-wise. Now you're going to have a adjustment knob on the top here that you loosen. It's going to allow you to slide this forward and backwards, again, to suit wherever you're going to need that back support in your neck. So once you have that in place, now you can adjust this with friction to go tilt forward and backwards. Again, just making sure that you can really fully adjust this headrest to really fit you. So I find that the best way to do this is to tighten the knobs just enough that you have a little bit of movement in them, but not tighten down all the way. And it's going to allow you to move the headrest parts to exactly where you need them to be. You can see I can move this around, and geez, about right there seems to be about good for me. And so now that I have those knobs in position to where I want them to be, I'm going to tighten these knobs down so that things don't move around as I'm working and I get that support that I need. So now that we have that in place, you can see that the headrest is fully supportive to me and is in a good position to support my neck and upper back. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video on how to install the Atlas headrest on your Herman Miller Aeron classic chair. We do have these available on our website at crandalloffice.com. It's also available as an option on our refurbished Aeron chairs at crandalloffice.com. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and click the like and subscribe buttons below. It's going to help us continue to bring content to you guys. And thanks for watching, and have a great day.
Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to click the like and subscribe buttons below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at crandalloffice.com or on our Facebook page.